This is the first update for my Colosseum project, Ouro-C. Ouro-C is a fully on-chain, fully decentralized Solana subscription protocol. And at this moment, what I'm showing you is like a demo app to demo front end, basically, to show you how the a pipeline works. So short introduction is 100% on-chain. And our primary method for timer is built with SCP. Also, there's a fallback measure, for example, so that when the SCP is not working, there will be a notification sent to our merchant client, and they can at least trigger it manually, or maybe if I have time before the end of Colosseum, before the deadline of Colosseum, I will try to implement a backup timer which is used with Polkadot Cloud. But we'll see if I have time for that. Very secure and USDC ready for subscription. It only makes sense to pay with a stablecoin. So let's start with USDC, and here are the advantages and how it works. So let's go to the demo. So here I will show you like the pipeline or so-called payment flow. For the minimum submission before the end of Colosseum, I plan to build a npm package, which is basically a plugin tool for developers who develop dApps on Solana. And if you use this if you can configure it. Developers can configure it as they want in the sense of the frequency of payments and amount of payments and token types. Although we only support USDC now, but we will implement other types of stablecoins on Solana. So the pipeline is basically the user of dApp and user of the dApp decided to subscribe and choose their tiers, and then this the raw data of for example the payment frequency and amount of token will be sent to the timer manager on ICP, and ICP will store this data and wait until the next term of payment sent to our Solana contract a JSON-like unit of data, which is which include at least payment address, receiver address, amount of token, and type of token. And this will trigger our Solana smart contract to initialize the payment process. Also, I give the Solana timer manager a extra function to check to read the amount of token from our payment address to see if it's enough for the next round of token. If it's not enough, it will send notification to both end user and merchant. And then that's like the full cycle of the payment. Of course, the Solana contract will charge a small percentage of each transaction from end user to merchant client to our own Solana address as profit and to support the operation of the timer. Yeah. So that's my idea for what we have. What I will build for the before the end before the deadline of this Colosseum is npm package which will bring in the strong and stable and secure timer from ICP, which will be an auxiliary uh, manager or function for Solana subscription. But if I have more time or for like a future scale up, first is I will integrate with more stable coin, and second is that if I have time before the deadline, I will try to integrate with Phantom Wallet. So from the end user side, is more like trustworthy or friendly on the user experience. One error here because I haven't deployed the ICP on canister on the ICP mainnet, so there's nothing to be found. And that's it for the first update. Thank you and keep building.